Hello and welcome to Sort classes again. We move to the next question in the quant section. This one says Amala, Bina and Gauri invest money in the ratio 3:4:5 in fixed deposits having respective annual interest rates in the ratio 6:5:4. What is their total interest income in rupees after a year if Bina's interest income exceeds Amala's by 250 rupees? So we have Amala, Bina and Gauri, and they had 3x, 4x and 5x amount of money which they invested in a fixed deposit where they got interest rates in the ratio 6:5:4. So the interest rates would be 6 by 100 y, 5 by 100 y and 4 by 100 y. And the total interest income after a year is being asked. So let's find the total interest gained by each would be 3x multiplied by 6 by 100 y. So 18 by 100 xy would be the interest gained by Amala. Similarly, 4x multiplied by 5 by 100 y will be the interest gained by Bina. So that is 20 by 100 xy. And similarly, Gauri would have gained 5x into 4 by 100 y, which is again 20 by 100 xy. So the total interest comes out to be 58 by 100 xy. So if you add all of these, this is the total interest. So in order to calculate the value of this, we need to know the value of xy. So for that, there is one clue given. Bina's interest income exceeds Amala's by 250. Now Bina's interest income is 20xy by 100. Amala's is 18xy by 100. So the difference is 2 by 100 xy, and this is given as 250. So therefore xy by 100 is equal to 250 by 2, that is 125, and 58 by 100 xy, which is the total interest which is being asked, is 58 times xy by 100, which is equal to 125. So 58 into 125, so that is equal to 7250. And you see in option 1 the answer is 7250. So this is the correct option. We move to the next question, which says the product of the distinct roots of modulus of x square minus x minus 6 is equal to x plus 2 is what? So we know that so if I take x square minus x minus 6 as y, so it is given modulus of y is equal to x plus 2. Now modulus of y means if y is less than 0, then modulus of y will be equal to minus y, and if y is greater than equal to 0, then modulus of y will be equal to y. So therefore we'll have two sets of equations coming in from the given equation. One would be x square minus x minus 6, which is y is equal to x plus 2. Therefore x square minus 2x minus 8 is equal to 0, and we can factorize this as x minus 4 into x plus 2 is equal to 0, or x equal to 4 or minus 2. These can be the values. The other equation that can come from this is minus of x square minus x minus 6 is equal to x plus 2 or minus x square plus x plus 6 is equal to x plus 2. X and x cancels out. So x square is equal to 6 minus 2, which is 4. So x will be plus 2 or minus 2. So we are asked the product of the distinct roots of the equation. So the distinct roots of x are plus 4, minus 2 and plus 2. So minus 2 appears in both cases, it's a common root. So distinct roots are 4, minus 2 and plus 2. So the product of distinct roots will be equal to 4 into minus 2 into 2, which is equal to minus 16. And we see option 4 is given as minus 16, and therefore this is the correct option.